Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to start our exercise number 5.6. Okay, in that x is given in the t form, y is also given in the terms of t. Here x is given into terms of theta, here also theta, t and t, and we have to find out dy by dx. So first of all, what you have to do, that you have to do derivation of x with respect to t. So this is 2a 2t, and dy by dt is equal to a 4t cube. So now your dy by dx is equal to a into 4 t cube upon 4 a t. A and a, 4 and 4. So this is t cube by t, means your answer of dy by dx is t square. Same way, dx by d theta is equal to a minus sin theta. Dy by d theta is equal to b minus sin theta. Now your dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So minus b sin theta upon minus a sin theta. So your answer is b by a. Now x, again dx by dt is equal to cos t, and dy by dt is equal to minus sin 2t into 2. So now your dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So minus 2 sin 2t upon cos t. So that is minus 2. Sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t cos t upon cos t. This and this is cancelled. So minus 4 sin t. That is your dy by dx. Now dx by dt is equal to here 4, and dy by dt 4 as it is. 1 upon t derivation is minus 1 upon t square. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So minus 4 upon t square upon 4. So your answer is minus 1 upon t square. In this way we have find out dy by dx. Now we are going on fifth example. Now our fifth example is like this: x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and y is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin theta. So first again we are going to find dx by d theta is equal to cos theta, derivation is minus sin theta minus cos 2 theta, derivation is minus sin 2 theta, and 2 theta derivation is 2. Here dy by d theta is equal to sin theta, derivation is cos theta, and sin 2 theta derivation is cos 2 theta, and here according to general 2 theta derivation is 2. So our dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta upon minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Here also we can finish. Now your sixth, that is what, dx by d theta. A is as it is, multiplication rule, first and second. Theta derivation is 1 and sin theta derivation is cos theta. Now dy by d theta. A is as it is, 1 is 0 and cos theta is minus sin theta. So your final answer dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta and dy by d theta is equal to a 1 minus cos theta. This and this is cancelled. Now if I will go ahead, then 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and here 2 sin square theta by 2. This and this is cancelled, this and this is cancelled. So minus cot theta by 2. This is 6th. Now 9th. 7th and 8th we are going now afterwards. So dx by d theta is equal to a sec theta is sec theta tan theta and dy by d theta is equal to what? B sec square theta. So dy by dx is equal to b sec square theta upon a sec theta tan theta. This and this is cancelled. Now b by a sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta cancel. So this is b by a cosec theta. In this way again we have finished 5th, 6th and 9th example. Now we are going on 7th example. It is little bit long. Now our 7th example is there. X is given sin cube t upon under root cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t. So we are going to do division rule. So dx by dt, denominator square means under root square is root is gone. So cos 2t. Here cos 2t is as it is. Derivation of sin cube t. So 3 sin square t into cos t minus sin cube t is as it is. 1 upon root cos 2t is equal to 1 upon under root cos 2t. Cos 2t derivation is minus sin 2t and 2t derivation is 2. Again root cos t, root x means 1 upon 2 root x. So 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t. In place of x we have assumed cos 2t. So cos 2t derivation is minus sin 2t and 2t derivation is 2. So this and this is gone. If I will take LCM, then this is cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t minus minus plus sin cube t into sin 2t. This is cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Now I will take this y here. So y is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t. Same way we have to do derivation. So take care of that. Now dy by dat is equal to, again it is like this, denominator square. So cos 2t under root cos 2t square is cos 2t. Cos 2t is as it is, 3 cos square t, and this is cos t derivation is minus sin t, minus cos cube t is as it is, root cos 2t is equal to 1 upon 2 root cos 2t. Cos 2t derivation is minus sin 2t, and 2t derivation is 2. So this and this also cancel. So your final dy by dt is equal to, this is multiplied to this, that is cos 2t, minus is there. So into 3 cos square t sin t, minus minus plus sin 2t cos cube t upon cos 2t. This is, we have find out dx by dt and dy by dt. Now we have to find out dy by dx. So we have to write in such a way like this. So dy by dx. So in numerator I have to write dy by dt. So minus 3 cos square t sin t cos 2t plus sin 2t cos cube t. This denominator and this denominator will go with each other. So I will write directly this 3 sin square t cos t cos 2t plus sin 2t sin cube t. Now this is in terms of cos, so we are converting this in the cos form. This is in sin, so this will, we are going to convert into sin way. So 3 cos square t sin t 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So cos 2t is equal to 2 cos square t minus 1 plus sin 2t cos cube t upon 3 sin square t cos t 1 minus 2 sin square t in place of cos 2t plus sin 2t cos cube t, no, sin cube t. Now we are multiplying. So this is minus 3 cos raised to 4. So 6 cos raised to 4t sin t minus minus plus 3 cos square t sin t plus 2 sin t cos t in place of sin 2t into cos cube t upon 3 sin square t cos t minus 6 sin raised to 4t cos t plus 2 sin t cos t into sin raised to 3t. Now you can understand this cos raised to 4t sin t. This is also cos raised to 4t into sin t. This is sin raised to 4t and this is sin raised to 4t cos t. So it will be like this. This is 3 cos square t sin t minus 4 sin t cos raised to 4t upon 3 sin square t cos t minus 4 cos t sin raised to 4t. So now what is common? That sin t cos t is common. So 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t upon sin t cos t is common. So 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So this and this is common. If I will take common here minus, so what will happen? Dy by dx is equal to minus 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t upon 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So this is minus 4 cos 3t upon sin 3t. So your dy by dx is equal to minus cot 3t. Your final answer is minus cot 3t. In this way we have finished